We all know how important role audio plays when it comes to making an overall good quality video. But chances are, if you are just using your in-camera internal microphone, then the audio may go unprayed. Now you can either use your lapel microphone and let the wire hang around with you, or you can either opt for a shotgun mic and let the convenience flow around with you. So this is the Rode Video Micro after 1 year. Is this microphone still the best when it comes to budget vloggers microphone? Let's find it out in today's video. Hey, what's up guys, Bhushan here from abgeekexpert. With that being said, let's get started. Okay, so I've been owning this mic for almost 1 year, but I started using this mic from 2 months. Wait, why am I vlogging in my house? This feels so weird. Let me change the location real quick. Alright, this is much better. So I have been owning this microphone for almost 1 year, but I started using this microphone from the past 2 or 3 months, and from my experience, all I can say is the microphone is not that bad as many people say. Many people say that this microphone is just bad when it comes to preamping adjustments, if that's even a word, but this microphone is not that bad, and here is why. Okay, so the number one reason why this microphone is just amazing for the price you pay is the build quality, the sound quality, and the portability factor. If you're a vlogger, if you just like to talk to the camera like I'm doing right now, this microphone is probably, if not then one of the best microphone you can grab under 6,000 rupees. And that is because the portability is on point. I mean, you can literally just throw this microphone inside a pocket without getting noticed at all. That's how portable it is. And even the build quality is on point. Even if you throw this microphone out of the couch, or if you even just drop this microphone, it won't get a huge damage because it's made out of aluminum. Okay, now the second main reason why you should grab this microphone is because of the good quality even after the bad preamp of my camera. As we all know that the Canon cameras do not have a good preamp, but even though this microphone is decent enough to produce good quality audio. What do you guys think? How is the audio as compared to my normal in-camera microphone? I'm pretty sure that the audio is not that bad as many people say. Alright, so yeah, second main reason is again audio, and the third main reason is again related to audio, and that is the audio from this microphone is just leaps and bounds better from what you will see from your in-camera microphone. If you compare the audio from your in-camera microphone, the audio from this mic, I know I'm speaking the word audio again and again, but sorry for that. The audio from this microphone is gonna be just phenomenal if you are switching from your in-camera microphone. If you're in the market for a search of a good budget microphone, then this microphone is probably the way to go, because if your camera is a Sony camera or a Panasonic camera which has a pretty good preamp according to my knowledge, then you will not need any kind of external microphone at all, because this microphone is just amazing for the price you pay. And again, sorry for the word audio again and again. I know it's gonna hit you in your head, but I'm sorry for that. But what if you're not a vlogger and if you just like to do A-rolls / talking to the camera thing that I'm doing right now? Well, to be very honest, the Rode Video Micro is a mixed bag for doing A-rolls / talking to the camera from a decent amount of distance. And here is the main reasons why I think that the Rode Video Micro is not the best when it comes to shooting A-rolls, but it's just good enough to get the job done. The number one reason why you should not consider the Rode Video Micro as your primary A-roll microphone is because of the hissing sound which you will hear while doing your A-roll thing. Now look, I don't have any problem with the hissing noise until and unless I am shooting in an outdoor environment like this, but if I'm shooting in an indoor environment, for example a pretty controlled room, the hissing noise is really pretty prominent to hear when as compared to the outdoor environment. And I'm pretty sure that you guys are not able to hear any kind of major hissing noise in this particular A-roll, because I'm doing this in an outdoor environment, and as a result the hissing noise is already cut it down by the background noise. So that's not a big deal if you're doing A-rolls in an outdoor environment. But if you're doing A-rolls in a controlled environment, you will definitely hear that hissing noise, which is really a pain in the ass to edit in post-processing. So if your main focus is just shooting A-rolls, I would rather recommend you to go with the Zoom H1, because it's gonna sound far better than the Rode Video Micro, because it does not include any kind of preamp unstabilization, if that's even a word. So yeah, if A-roll is your main priority, go for the Zoom H1 rather than the Rode Video Micro. Now the last but not the least reason to cop this cutie is the build quality and the form factor. Now this microphone is completely crafted out of metal, and hence the build quality is on point. Even if you just drop this microphone, I know I have said this before as well, but if you even just drop this microphone, it won't get a huge damage, and as a result you can be as rough as you want with this particular microphone. And the next thing which I absolutely love this microphone is the high quality dead cat, or dead kitten if you will. The dead kitten which is included in the box itself is really high quality, and it really helps to eliminate the overall wind noise when you're vlogging in an outdoor environment like this, and if it's windy of course. All in all, the Rode Video Micro is still one of the best shotgun mic that you can get for 6,000 rupees, and if you're lucky you may also get this baby for as cheap as 3,500 Indian rupees. So make sure to keep an eye in the link given down below. With that being said, I'm abgeekexpert and I'm signing out. Okay, oh my god, that was tough. Vlogging is tough guys, vlogging is really tough.